Welcome to the Learn to Sew with Bow class. My name is Meg and I'm the managing editor here at Seamwork. And here at Seamwork, we like to think of sewing as an adventure. It's going to have its challenges, its ups and some downs, but ultimately it's going to push you to take risks and learn a whole bunch of new things. And then in the end, you'll have something really cool that you can wear every day that you made with your own hands. When you're learning how to sew, you can Google any technique when you need to. You can find a ton of them in the Seamwork archives, you can find tutorials on our YouTube channel, and we'll link some of those resources for you below in the classroom. But how do you know what you need to know? This can be the biggest challenge when you're learning how to sew. In this class, we're going to show you how to think about sewing, how to approach learning new techniques, and how to keep a positive, curious attitude. We'll do this as we teach you some of the fundamental things you'll need to learn while you're learning how to sew. This class is part sew-along and part learn how to sew. The first half of the class will cover all of the basics that you need to know to start sewing your very first project, and those videos are totally free. We'll cover a little introduction to your machine, we'll show you how to pick tools and notions, how to choose a project, how to select fabric, and determine your size. And then we'll give you a couple tips for cutting and marking fabric and some basic sewing techniques. The second half of this class is exclusively for Seamwork members, and we're going to walk you through every step to sew the bow top. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. Bow is one of our most popular Seamwork patterns, and if you're brand new to sewing, bow is a really great beginner project. If you've been sewing for a while, it actually makes a really fun sew and you can finish it in an afternoon. So if you're new to sewing or you want a quick refresh, watch the first 7 videos and we'll cover the basics. But if you're comfortable with sewing and you just want to follow the sew along for the bow top, head to lesson number 8.